welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. The story tonight is The Village Miracle of Felix. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, like, follow, and share. Your support is appreciated. In the heart of Featherington, a picturesque village where a diverse array of animals lived harmoniously, there resided a remarkable chicken named Felix. His feathers were not just ordinary. They were adorned with the vibrant colors of kindness and a passion for helping others. Felix, a beloved figure in Featherington, woke up one sunny morning with a cluck of excitement. For today marked the beginning of a special mission. A mission to spread happiness by lending a wing to those in need. His first stop was at the humble nest of Oliver the Owl, a wise resident known for his sagacity, but grappling with a persistently leaky roof. Felix, equipped with a tiny toolbox and an unwavering can-do spirit, approached Oliver and declared, "I've come to fix your leaky roof, dear friend. Every creature deserves a cozy and dry home." News of Felix's benevolent quest quickly spread throughout Featherington, inspiring a sense of unity among its residents. The sight of a chicken diligently working to repair Oliver's roof attracted the attention of fellow villagers. Squirrels scurried to fetch tools, rabbits gathered materials, and a little mouse named Mia orchestrated the worksite with meticulous precision. As the repairs continued, Featherington witnessed the transformation of the once leaky roof into a sturdy shelter, all thanks to Felix's unwavering dedication and the collaborative efforts of the villagers. Oliver's nest, now impervious to the whims of weather, symbolized Felix's kindness. The tale of Felix's altruism reached the ears of Victoria the vixen, a fox with a penchant for gardening, but burdened by an overgrown backyard. Victoria approached Felix with a hopeful gleam. "Felix, would you lend your helping wing to transform my garden into a haven of blooms and beauty?" Without hesitation, Felix clucked a cheerful agreement. The following day, armed with gardening tools, seedlings, and an infectious enthusiasm, Felix and his newfound team of animal friends set out to revitalize Victoria's neglected garden. Birds chirped in harmony as they planted flowers, and butterflies danced around, celebrating the resurrection of a forgotten oasis. As the seasons changed and the village thrived, Felix continued his mission of spreading happiness and aiding those in need. Whether it was assisting rabbits in building new burrows or helping beavers repair their dam, Felix's legacy grew with each act of kindness. In the heart of Featherington, where the rustling leaves carried whispers of gratitude and joy, Felix, the helpful chicken, clucked contentedly, knowing that a community flourished under his wing, a community that understood the true beauty of helping others.